Sekuwusuku lwe-12 Izakhamuzi zase-Eldorado Park ziqhinqa ngaphandle kwesiteshi samaphoyisa sasendaweni. Zifuna ukuba amaphoyisa asheshe angenelele njengoba ubugebengu budlangile kulendawo.
Our demands were clear 2 weeks ago that we want the political leadership to descend on Eldorado Park today to address us in terms of a sustainable plan going forward to address all the social ills.
Nezinye izindawo ezakhele lendawo zizoba ingxenye yombhikisho.
We are setting up camp in other communities that are affected. Community of Westbury is joining us, community of Annandale, Lenasia. You will be seeing similar refugee sites at all of those police stations.
Komishana wamaphoyisa wathembisa izakhamuzi ukuthi bazonqanda ubugebengu endaweni kodwa akukho okwenzekile. Izakhamuzi zithi ngisho nezikhulu zikahulumeni zifikile kulendawo kodwa lukho uguquko.
We've had national government here. We've had the president here almost a decade later. And we are seeing ourselves facing with exactly the same problems, not just exactly. The boys behind me were victims of a shootout. Some of them were gunned. Some of them are recovering. They've lost one of their friends, an innocent boy that died. We are saying how much more boys must be killed? How many more of our children must be killed?
Izakhamuzi zikhala nangezidakamizwa.
We are tired of the drugs in our streets. We are tired of other gangs now, alleged gangs coming into our streets and just causing chaos. We cannot sleep. Our elderly are traumatized. Our children are traumatized. Daily we must look at bodies with close to 20 bullet holes in them. How much longer must we be traumatized in a country like South Africa?
Kulendawo ukuthi izikhulu zikahulumeni zihambele lendawo khona ntambama nje.